Hi everybody and welcome to week 6. This is a 16-week class, so in 2 weeks we'll be at the halfway mark. So kudos, we're going. This week you've got kind of a big assignment. It's going to be your persuasive essay, persuasive research essay. That means that you're going to have to go through the prompt really carefully. Some tips when looking for resources. I don't mind if you use resources outside of the lirn.net database, but they do need to be academic, peer-reviewed sources. So if you just go online and find something like just off a random website, that's not going to work. So it's safest to use the lirn.net database. If you're having trouble finding sources, consider how you're searching, what search words you're using, and in which database you're searching. The health and medicine database is, of course, a really good place, but also if you want to talk about women in nursing, maybe you want to talk about women in science fields, and maybe that is in history and social studies database. So consider what you're looking for. If you're not finding articles, try rephrasing the words you're using. Okay, it's going to get you a lot more information. And don't be afraid to glance through a lot of articles, because that's how you're going to get new information, and it may actually change the point you're going to try and make with your paper. It needs to be at least 7 pages long. Remember that that's 1 page for references, 1 page for your title page, so that's really 5 pages minimum of text. Okay, and if you follow all the outlines, I'm not concerned if you have 4.5 pages plus a title and a references page. But if you have 4 pages and 1 sentence, that's not going to cut it. It needs to be at least 5 pages of work with the title and references page. Okay. Keep in mind also that the discussion board this week has you post an outline for your paper. So that's going to be the first step that you should start working on, because that's going to be sort of knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. It's going to get you your initial discussion board post, and it's going to get you started on the research paper. So don't be afraid to ask questions, or if you need any assistance. I gave a lot of grammar and writing tips on your discussion board posts from last week. We're going to get further and further into the nitty-gritty of grammar and the technical writing process, so you're going to notice that those things are picked on a little bit more. That's because after this class, we're already into the upper level classes, so we're going to start having to focus on that pretty heavy. All right, so if you have any questions, of course, as always, either text me, email me, or best use Canvas Mail, and we're going to be going strong from here on out. There's a lot of writing papers, so don't hesitate to get started.